This video is going to be changing the rooms to a different room type. So let's say, for instance, I have double bed and single room, and I want to change a room into a queen bedroom. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to add a room type. I'm going to name this queen room. Later on, I can add this room type to my InnConnect, and then I would go ahead and map the rooms. There is a separate video for that. I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to go into rooms. Here's where it gets tricky. Let's say that I'm changing room 103 into a queen room. First, I will have to open this one up, and I will have to change it. 103, I usually just put a 0 on the end and I disable it. It's going to give you an error, just ignore that. And then I have to go in here and click add and make this 103 and change it into queen room and hit OK. Now 103.0 is still going to be in the system, but it's going to be disabled. So you got to click this little box right here to make sure that it's disabled. That way it doesn't show up on your front desk. Whenever you make a change like this, sometimes you'll need to refresh. But as you can see, my room 103 has now transferred into queen room. And what I can do later is go into rates, add a rate, call it queen room, select queen room, hit OK, select a price. Now once I create the rate on InnConnect, I'll hit InnConnect. But since I don't, I'm not going to add InnConnect. You can add taxes. There's another video on creating rate. It's more in depth. So I'm going to go back to front desk, and now I can go ahead and click on a room, and as you will see, the rate's already in there, and I just moved this room into this room type. So a little tricky, but not impossible. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.